Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to merge videos in Canva. So first open Canva and log into your account if you have not already. And once you are on this editing screen, go to the upload section. If you have not already uploaded the videos you want to merge, here you can upload those videos or you can search for the videos in elements. And once your videos are uploaded, you will see them listed in the panel. Now drag and drop the first video onto the timeline or canvas. You can resize it if needed. And next, take your second video and drag it right next to the first one. This automatically adds both videos in sequence. Now click the play button to preview your video. You will see that once the first clip finishes, the second one starts immediately. You can trim and resize the videos if necessary. And if you want a smoother transition between the clips, you can hover over the middle section where both clips meet, click on the transition button, and then select from different transition styles. After that, preview how they look and apply the one you like best. Once you're happy with the final video, click on share in the top right corner, and from the menu that appears, choose download, and this video will be saved into your device. And that's it. You have successfully merged videos in Canvas in just few clicks.